Coucou mes amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Dans mon côté, ça va très bien. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time on stopping by, you most definitely welcome. Please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I drop a new video. And if you subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. So darlings, in today we're going to be discussing, guys. Can you guys see the pictures I just show you guys? We are definitely going to be discussing. And in case of if you have a skin like that, or if you are battling with damaged skin, today I'm going to be showing you guys some good creams to use, like to get rid of those patches on your skin. Okay guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. Be discussing about some people, the way they use cream to destroy their skin, and they are still using it, and it's like they don't even know, like they don't have people around there that is telling them. So I'm going to be in this picture here for you guys to be the judge. Okay, we are definitely going to be discussing, in case of this particular individual come across this video, like this video is to help him out, because trust me guys, this is really terrible. Like this is so bad. Come across this video, I was so shocked. This person, did he have people around him, or is people around him really talking to him? I don't know. I don't understand. So today I know a lot of people are passing through the same situation. I know some people have used some creams that have damaged their skin, that leave their skin like this, like as you guys can see. I know a lot of people are passing through the same situation. So I'm not here to mock anybody. I'm not here to mock him either, okay? I'm just here for a solution. So sometimes when you're using cream, you know, especially for those of you that is like, you really want to brighten your skin, you want to whiten it, like by all means, by all costs, you don't care. You know, when you are using some cream and you see some part of your body, some part of, you know, is darker, and sometimes something in you keep telling you that everything is going to blend one day, everything is going to, you know, everything is going to be okay one day. Okay, I can see that my elbow is black, I can see that my knuckle is black, I can see my back is black, I can see my bum is black, I can see my feet is black. Sometimes something in you keep telling you that to continue using the cream, like everything is going to blend. Trust me guys, they are not going to blend though. You are going to use that cream ruin your skin before you realize that it's not going to blend. I believe that's the situation this guy was facing, because for somebody to be like, to have eyes, it's not that he's blind. Like, you are not blind, you have mirrors. Okay, for you to have eyes and you are still applying cream, and you are seeing yourself in the mirror, like you are looking at yourself, you see your skin is totally completely rude. It's rude. You're like, your skin's finished. Like you cannot even talk to yourself that this cream, I don't think this cream is going to do me well. I don't think this cream is going to like blend my skin together. Instead of you to stop, you keep on going from product to product. And trust me guys, product to product is going to ruin your skin. It's going to ruin it. Okay? Because for this guy's skin to be like this, it means that this guy has been on this cream for a very long period of time. For a very long period of time, and I don't think he really have problem with it. You can see the guy is feeling himself. He's putting on short. It means that he don't give a F. Okay? Like for me, it's so terrible, because I believe this is someone's boyfriend, probably someone's husband, or someone's brother, someone's son. No. Like if people around him is not talking to him, like me, I can't keep my mouth shut when it comes to things like this. Okay, if this video wants to get to him, let him watch the video. Bros, let me tell you what to do. You have ruined your skin with your own hands. Stop what you are using, like ASAP, immediately. Stop what you are using, else you are just going to vanish. Like the cream is just going to swallow you, because there is nothing remaining there that the cream is going to destroy. The cream has completely destroyed your skin. Nothing is remaining for the cream to destroy. Okay, it's going to just swallow you, to disappear, or it's going to that cream you are using, if you don't stop it, it's going to so bleach you, and it's going to bleach your shadow as well. What? Oh my God! Like seriously, are you not looking yourself in the mirror? What's this? This is so terrible. It's so bad. And to even say that you are using this cream in Africa, bleaching cream is not good to use in Africa. Especially those one that has strong hydroquinone. It's not good. And I'm just feeling like, because people that have that kind of skin, for that cream to read you to that extent, is going to give you some strong body odor. Yeah, I know what I'm saying. It's going to give you strong body odor. And if you are someone's boyfriend and your girlfriend is not telling you, is not talking to you, darling, you really need a serious girlfriend. It's not there for you. It's there for you. Yeah. Like seriously, who does that? How can you use cream to the extent? Can you look at your feet? It look like someone else's feet. Can you look at your legs? The cream has sucked your leg to the extent. It's turning your leg to be like mosquito leg. Abba. Are you guys not seeing what I'm saying? This is so, like, it's I don't know, it's so terrible, and it's a bit annoying. It's a bit annoying, guys. How can you be using cream? And it's like your sight, you have a good sight, your eyes are working, your eyes are intact. If it is blind man that is using this cream now, he's putting on dark glasses and he's holding stick, I will understand. Like, I would perfectly understand that, oh, because he's blind, he's not seeing his skin, you know. Even blind man, when blind man is bleaching, I believe people around him is supposed to tell him that, I know you are blind, but what you are applying is really ruining your skin. I believe it's going to stop. But for someone that has two eye complete, is doing this to his skin, before you repair this skin, guy, it's going to take you a lot of time. Trust me. It's going to take you time. Don't even try to repair it with another product. No. Don't let people deceive you. I know sometimes people are deceiving you. I know sometimes some girls as well push their boyfriend into skin bleaching. Okay? Don't let any girl push you. Don't let any girl pushing you into using products you don't want to use. If you are dark, be proud of your color, guy. Any woman that wants to love you will definitely love you for the kind of color you have. But not this kind one now. Who will love this one now? Everybody just know this one is totally rubbish. I mean, when you have your natural color, if you are dark, if you like, be like Shako. Trust me, there are some ladies that like very dark guys. Okay? Yeah, they are. If you are dark and you feel your girlfriend is pushing you, is telling you, go and use this cream. Oh, me, I don't like dark guys. So because I love you, I don't want to leave you because I love you. Go and use. No, there's no love there. Biko, there is no love there. Sam, nothing like love. Because if she really loves you, she will go and give you cream that is going to glow your skin, that is going to make your dark. Have you seen some dark people the way they are glowing? If you see some people that has dark skin, the way they are glowing in the sun, you will be like, oh my God, I want to be dark. Guys, this video is basically for you guys today. I'm just directing this video to guys. Don't let any woman put you into using cream that you don't want to use. Don't let any woman tell you that you must be fair before I will love you. No. Real love comes from inside, not this one. All those ones we are seeing are packaging. Real love comes from inside. If you like, be like shit. A woman that will love you. Because this guy, the way I'm seeing it, maybe it's because of woman that he went to bleach his skin. Maybe he has been talking to girls and they say, look at your color you are. I like fair guys. Instead of you to stay away from that kind of girl, to move on with your life, and you say you want to bleach your skin so that girl will take you back. Who will take you back like this? My brother. Who will take you back like this? Me, I will not take you back. Oh. Never. I will not. If it were me, you go and bleach and you come back looking like shadow. You will come and meet me. No, it's not possible. It's not possible, my brother. So for guys, for those of you that is using cream, woman is bleaching, you know, say but it's different for men. Be careful with the kind of cream you use. Don't let your girlfriend mix cream for you. When you know that cream is bleaching cream, when you use that cream for just 1 month, you are going to see yourself. If there's any changes, stop that cream immediately. Like, it's not possible. Do not let anybody like sweet talk you especially when you have friends around you that is doing maybe organic creams, and whenever you want to go and buy cream, you will say, bros, try this one, this one is really good. Oh, do not just go for a cream that you know you have been using before. Don't let any organic people confuse your life, because they are going to confuse you to the extent that if your body is damaged, they will be the one to laugh you. When you go back to the store, they will say, bros, because you not use and wear, we are going to give you the latest one, and you will still buy it, thinking it's going to arrange the areas that has been damaged. It's not going to arrange it. He's not going to arrange it. Guys that have been using cream from year to year, when you use this one this month, next month you use another one. Stop it. It's not good. It's not good. Just look at this, our brother. Look at how he's looking like. Very soon we'll be seeing it's only the shadow we'll be seeing. The cream has sucked him. Can you see the leg? It's not good. So if you know that you are in this kind of situation, if you know that your skin is damaged based on cream, I'm going to be leaving some good cream here that you can use, okay? The creams I'm going to be showing, the cream I'm going to be leaving after this video, they are the creams that you can use. If you know that you can get QEI Paris, the original one, just use it and the glycerin. Just like that. Don't add any other thing to it. QEI Paris. Use it and the glycerin is going to repair your skin, okay? Use Francesco Bedon. You can use Francesco Bedon as well with the serum. It's going to arrange your skin. You can use Patricia. It's going to arrange your skin. You can use 5-5. It's going to arrange your skin. Just use them with their glycerin. Do not miss it. Do not miss it. I've just mentioned they are quite expensive a little bit. So if you know that you are in a low budget, you don't have that much to buy cream, I'm going to be leaving some cheap creams that you can use as well, okay? After those ones that I just mentioned, the ones I'm going to be leaving now, they are the cheap ones. They are the affordable ones that you can use. You are going to get darker. Don't be afraid. It's going to be bringing your skin normal. If you were dark before, it's going to take you back to your dark skin. Don't miss it. Don't try to say, this cream, they say this cream can repair my skin, and you'll be adding small tube and small gel. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. It's not going to work. So if you really want it to work for you, those cream I'm recommending, use them alone and alone, without adding tube, without adding gel, without adding any serum to it. Just like that, just with the glycerin that comes with it, okay? All these creams that I've just mentioned, they have their own oils and their own glycerin. Add it to it. Do not add any other thing to it. Even though you are getting darker, leave it like that. That's the process. That is the process. Okay, guys? Hope you guys understand what I have just explained, okay? I'm not here to mock anybody, but rather to laugh at anybody. I'm just here for a solution. And guys, we have come to the end of this video. Hope you guys find this video helpful and useful. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys on my next one. Until then, make sure to stay beautiful, stay safe, and stay peaceful. Bye-bye.